Welcome to drbtrust.com. I am Dr. Hemant Kumar. What is lipid profile test or lipid panel test? Today we are going to discuss this. Now let us discuss the tests which are done in a lipid panel. So today we are going to discuss 4 of them. Total cholesterol, low density lipoprotein or LDL or bad cholesterol, HDL or high density lipoprotein or good cholesterol, and triglycerides. What are the levels or what are the reference ranges for cholesterol? Less than 200 milligrams per deciliter of blood is taken to be an acceptable level for total cholesterol in our body. Levels between 200 and 239 milligrams per deciliter are taken to be borderline high levels. Readings above 240 milligrams per deciliter, so 240 milligrams or above per deciliter of blood, are taken to be high levels of cholesterol. Low density lipoprotein or LDL or bad cholesterol. Now what are the reference levels or reference ranges for LDL? Less than 100 milligrams per deciliter of blood is considered an optimal level for LDL or low density lipoprotein. Between 100 and 129 milligram per deciliter is considered above optimal. 130 to 159 is considered a borderline high value, and anything above 160 or above is considered a high value for LDL or low density lipoprotein or the bad cholesterol. HDL, high density lipoprotein or good cholesterol. What are the levels for HDL? The recommended levels for HDL? Well, for adult males, values of less than 40 milligrams per deciliter are considered to be low, and they increase the risk for cardiovascular illness. Between 40 and 50 milligrams is considered an average level. Levels above 50 milligram per deciliter are considered to be high and have a protective effect on heart and brain health and are generally considered to be desirable. Triglycerides. So what are the reference ranges for triglyceride? Less than 150 milligram per deciliter is considered to be normal for adults. 150 to 199 milligram per deciliter is considered borderline high. Anything between 200 to 499 milligrams per deciliter of blood is considered high, and anything at or above 500 milligrams per deciliter is considered very high. Very high levels of triglyceride increase the risk of pancreatitis, which is a very difficult condition to manage. So this was about the lipid profile test. 4 components, let us recap: total cholesterol, low density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol, high density lipoprotein, HDL or good cholesterol, and triglycerides. One important point to note about lipid panel is our food intake tends to interfere with these levels, especially triglyceride levels. And when you eat food, it gets absorbed and triglycerides increase in our bloodstream. So it is recommended that you fast for at least 12 hours before a lipid profile test is done. So typically this test is done in the morning when you have fasted for 12 hours. You have generally not had a lot of alcohol the previous night, not a particularly heavy meal. You have fasted, and then a lipid panel or lipid profile test is done. Lipid profile test, you can get it done once a year if you are 40 and above. But if you have high risk of heart disease, somebody in the family had diabetes or heart disease, or there is a family history of increased levels of lipids in the body known as hypertriglyceridemia or hypercholesterolemia, then you may require to get these tests done more frequently. If you are put on medication for cholesterol management or triglyceride management, then also the doctor may want to monitor your lipids level more frequently, maybe at a 6-monthly interval. Hope you found this video useful. For more such videos, please log on to drwetrust.com. Thanks for watching.